Hello friends, today I will explain that the physical chemistry practical in chemical kinetics. The aim of the practical to study the effect of concentration of reactant on the rate of an ester. Firstly, introduction of the chemical kinetics. The chemical kinetics is the depends on the rate of chemical reaction, mainly depends on nature, concentration, on temperature of the reactant. Kinetic studies are generally carried out at constant temperature. A desired composition of reactant is mixed to start the reaction, and reaction is monitored for the decrease in concentration of the reacting substances to increase the product of concentration. And next is the order of reaction. The rate of reaction is the dependence of the order of reaction. The order of reaction, and second is the molecularity of the reaction. It is the sum of the exponent to which the concentration term are raised in the rate equation. Thus the second is the molecularity of the reaction, means molecularity of a reaction is defined as the number of molecules or atoms of the reactant taking part in the reaction. Next one is the order types of order of reaction: zero order reaction, first order reaction, second order reaction, and third order reaction in chemical kinetics. Firstly, the chemical kinetics to study the effect of concentration of reactant in a rate of reaction of the ester hydrolysis. Firstly, apparatus of this practical is stopper bottle, burette, 5 ml pipettes, measuring cylinder, beaker, stopwatch, water bath, etc. And chemicals is methyl acetate, 0.5 normal SCl, 0.1 normal NaOH, phenolphthalein indicator, ice, etc. Next is the procedure for the chemical kinetics. Set up first 5 ml methyl acetate plus 100 ml 0.5 normal HCl. Firstly taken 5 ml of methyl acetate using pipette and 100 ml 0.5 normal HCl in a two separate clean and dry bottles placed in bottles in water bath, and to attain the uniform temperature, rinsed and fill a clean burette with zero point 0.1 normal NaOH solution up to the 0 mark. Taken a few pieces of the crushed ice round in a 40 ml of the ice cold water in a in a conical flask. Added 2 to 3 drops of phenolphthalein indicator to it. After 10 to 50 minutes, the liquid will have assumed the temperature of bath. Added HCl solution to methyl acetate and shake the reaction mixture well. Started to stopwatch and noted the time of mixing as a 0. Immediately pipette out 5 ml of reaction mixture. The titration flask containing ice and phenolphthalein indicator, shake it well and titrate it with zero point 0.1 normal NaOH. Feel the faint pink color appeared and persist for 30 seconds to the solution. Recorded the titration reading, that is the T0. Shake the reaction mixture from time to time and titrated 5 ml of reaction mixture similarly at the successive interval, that is 10 minutes, 20, 30, 40 and 50 minutes. Recorded the titration reading, that is the T small t. Next is the infinity reading, that is the T infinity. Taken 25 ml of the reaction mixture in a flask, corked and it kept in a water bath at around 50 degrees Celsius temperature for 10 minutes. Is complete the hydrolysis. Finally titrated 5 ml of it against 0 0.1 normal NaOH and recorded the reading as T infinity. Similarly carried out the experiment for the set second in the same manner and set first. Only difference in the set of the two uses of the 10 ml of methyl acetate in the place of the 5 ml methyl acetate. Next one is the observation. Observation for the set first and set second. Firstly, the 5 ml methyl acetate plus 100 ml 0.5 normal HCl. Firstly, initial reading, that is the T0 is equal to 17 ml and infinite reading T infinity is equal to 36 ml. Infinite concentration of methyl acetate A is equal to T infinity minus T0 that is equal to 36 minus 70 is equal to 90 ml. Time inverse in observation table. In first column, time titration reading, that is the capital T small t ml. X is equal to capital T small t minus t infinity, t0, t infinity minus t capital T small t is equal to a minus x, log of a minus x, log of a upon a minus x, and k per minutes. In time is 10, 20, 13, 14, 50, and their titration reading in observation table. Next one is calculation for the observation table. First one, x is equal to t capital T small t minus capital T0. Next one is the a minus x value, and next is the log of a minus x, and next is the a upon a minus x and the log of a upon a minus x. In this calculation for this practical. Next one and last column is the rate constant, that is the k. By the calculation, k is equal to the formula of the k, that is the first order reaction, is the 2.303 upon t log of a upon a minus x, is the chemical kinetics formula. Next one is the 5 value, that is the 10 minutes, 20, 30, 40 and 15, and their rate first order reaction, that is the k1, and putting the value, and that is the next one is the k2, put the value and their calculation, k3, k4, k5, and the last one is the mean of the k, is the number of some values upon total number of values, is the k is equal to 4.2 into 10 raised to minus 3 per minute, and the second set is the same as the first set. The 10 ml methyl acetate and 100 ml 0.5 normal SCl. 10 ml methyl acetate initial reading T0 is same procedure for the set first. Initial reading T0 is equal to 16 minutes. Infinite reading T infinity is the 42 ml, and initial concentration of methyl acetate is A is equal to T infinity minus capital T small t is equal to 42 minus 16 is equal to 26 ml. In observation table, first set first same as second same observation table. The time is 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. Titration reading is 18, 18.6, 19.3, 20.1 and 21. T in capital T small t minus T0 is equal to x. Next one is the T infinity minus capital T small t is equal to a minus x value. Then the value of the a minus x, the log of a minus x, and log of a upon a minus x, and last one column is k. The calculations, and for the same for set A, firstly x is equal to t capital T small t minus T0, t infinity minus capital T small t is equal to a minus x, log of a minus x. Next one is the a upon a minus x, and log of a upon a minus x, and the rate constant k is the 2.303 upon t log of a upon a minus x, and putting the value for k1, k2, k3, k4 and k5, and last one is the k for the sum of the k values for the rate constant k and the mean. The mean is the 4.96 into 10 raised to minus 3 per minute, and last one is the result table of the chemical kinetics. Firstly set first and set second. First the k value is the 4.2 into 10 raised to minus 3, and by graph is the 2.3 into 10 raised to minus 3 minute, and k is equal to 4.96 into 10 raised to minus 3 per minute, and 2.303 into 10 raised to minus 3 minute. And next one is the graph. Firstly, the graph showing log of a minus x versus time. The graph having slope is a y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, and the putting this value in a y-axis is the 0.20, 0.21, 1.22, 1.23, 1.24 and 1.25 readings, and time is 10, 20, 30 and 40, and the slope is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. This is the graph, and second one is the graph for the second is the log of a minus x upon time, and the slope is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. The graph for the chemical kinetics, and by the calculation and by graph